For 1 half last element, squawk 6073.
073 for dark 44.
The altitude, I'm not showing your altitude.
Oval 105 for 190.
Copy, I got it now.
Departure, Casino 61 is passing 2,300, climbing clear 100.
61, looking departure, radar contact, declick service call, maintain 50190, stay on course 7.
For departure.
Maintain 50140, Sonic Mill assigned.
3.
Switch to main, switch to street.
Down 72, dark 41 push.
Fallen, maintain 50140.
1.
Maintain 50140, Sonic Mill assigned.
Dark 41 in the descent to 140.
Imagine both of you guys have got quite a bit of fuel left.
We probably got to set, Bones 1 has at least maybe 1 to 2 more sets left.
Copy. I'll try and keep them a bit shorter if I can to reduce the amount of reading.
Copy that.
For myself, that is. Just say again, Bones 1.
I'm at your 6 o'clock for 3.5 miles. If we go in place 90 right, we'll be completely line abreast.
Great. Select phone combine in place 90 right. Play 060.
ZS21, Curson 13, your visual is right at 3 o'clock.
3 visual.
Bones 21 visual.
Set 350. Phone 21 call ready.
Bones 21's ready.
ZS phones combine, check away. ZS phones combine, turn in, fight on. ZS 3, tally.
Bones 21, tally.
Fine, terminate.
Bones 21, terminate.
240, Bones 2, profit.
Bones 2 is at your 6 o'clock for 3 miles. Hi.
ZS phones 2 combine, in place 90 right. I think I've got about 1 flight left, potentially.
Yeah, Bones 2 only has gas for a 6K.
Copy.
Or initial moves of high aspect.
ZS3 has only enough for a high aspect.
2 is visual, you're right, 4 o'clock, high.
And phone 2 from ZS3, what altitude do you want to start from?
Confirm it's going to be a high aspect or 6K?
6K.
22 is fine.
22. If you're happy to start it from here, we'll go into a left turn to the airspace. ZS in place 90 left.
Bones 2. 2.6, 6 aspect. 2.4, 7 aspect. 2.2, 6 aspect. 12,000. 10,000, 5 aspect. 8,004. 7,003. Flights on Fox 2. The ground tax Park View is here.
Combine 7878. ZS3 is bingo.
Bones 2 bingo. Bones 2-1 is bingo also. We are RTB Zenith. Thanks a lot. We'll give you a call when we get back. Good with you.
Sorry, mate. Thanks. Much fun. Speak to you on the ground.
See you guys. Romeo, it's 800 broken, so we're IFR right now, so let's go back to the ILS to see.
2,000 feet for 100, on course heading 0.
Eco 11 radar contact, deconflict service, climb maintain flight level 130, proceed on course.
Rico 11 up to 130 on course. Rico 11 confirm we are cleared on course this time.
Affirmative.
Go. One will be requesting the block 100 to 150, approximately 10 miles.
Alright, flight of 2, airborne, local climb out 10K.
Goes cleared 1 mile trail.
2, 3, 4.
In the flight level 130.
Flight level 030 to 130.
Margo 1 and 2, taxi park via Sierra.
Margo 1 and 2, taking part.
Two. Mr. Bones, Margo 1 and 2 on the ground, Margo 1, no change.
I've got it.
Margo 2, no change.
I've got it.
Power 33, taxi 1, Diablo Park, pass.
Power 33, Lakenheath, taxi park via Sierra.
Power 33, taxi Park, please, 0.
One confirm, looking for Charlie Downwind, you said?
Sierra, taxi park.
1-man 01, Lakenheath, taxi park via Sierra.
1-man 1, taxi park, Sierra.
Black Panther, off, dark 4-4 in the jungle, no change.
Casino 62, base gear stop. Casino 62, clear to land.
61, clear to land, 24.
Level 70, turn left heading 100, Victor's ILS 24.
Level 50.